Hey everyone, welcome back to the new day, new video. How to speak English confidently and fluently? If this question is in your mind, so don't worry. I'm here to help you how you can improve your English speaking. So stay tuned with the channel and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's start our video of today. We are working on the how your vocabulary will be improved. So let's start today's topic, origins and the related words. So the today's word is the straighteners basically. The orthopedist is so called from the Greek roots orthos, straight or the correct, and paidos, child. The orthopedist by the etymology straightens children. Okay. The term was coined in 1741 by the author of a textbook on the prevention of the childhood disease. At that time, the correction of the spinal curvature in the children was a main concern of the practitioner of orthopedics. What is the correct pronunciation of orthopedics is orthopedics, 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 orthopedics. So today the specialty trees differ deformities, injuries and disease of the bones and the joints. When someone got a accident, so where the person is reached first time, the first aid, that is called the trauma center. So the trauma center is also run by the orthopedics. So the bones and the joints of the adults well as children, of course, often by the surgical procedures. Adjective, orthopedic, orthopedics, basically orthodontics, the straightening of the teeth. Orthodontics is basically the straightening of the teeth is built on the orthos plus odontos teeth. The orthodontist specializes in improving your bite, retracting buck teeth, and by the means of braces and other techniques, seeing to it that every molar, incisor, etc. is exactly where it belongs in your mouth. So they just do your teeth in a correct order by the braces. The heart. So we are coming from for the heart. Cardiologist combines Greek cardia, which refers to the heart, and logos, the science. So basically, the science of the heart is called cardiologist. The specialty in the cardiology, the adjective cardiological. So a cardiac condition refers to some malfunction of the heart. When someone got a heart attack, we call also cardiac arrest also. So this is called the heart attack also has a name, cardiac arrest. A cardiogram is an electrically produced record of the heartbeat. The instrument that produces this record is called a cardiography. The nervous system. Now we are talking about the nervous system. Neurologist derives from the Greek neuron, nerve, plus logos, science. So the neuron basically, which refers to the nerve, plus logo is basically belongs to science. Specialty neurology, adjective neurological. So neurological department also called in the hospitals. So again, neurologia is an acute pain along the nerves and their branches. The word comes from the neurons plus algos pain. So the word comes from the neuron plus algos pain. Neurosis. Neurosis basically combining neuron with the osis is a suffix meaning abnormal or the disease condition is not despite its etymology. Burn a psychiatrist. An illness characterized by the excessive use of energy for unproductive purpose so that personality development is hindered or stopped. So we have completed today's words. Let's do something. we have the time so that we can do the another exercise also, which is just a short exercise. Test yourself. You can also test yourself, and now you have to repeat with me. If you drink too much vodka, you will get drunk. Right or wrong? So the answer will be right. Have you got a pound? Have you got a pound? Right. No one loves you except I. No one loves you except I. So the answer is right. Please lay down. Please lay down. It means right. Why? Why do you love? So, right. Neither of these cars are worth the money. Neither of these cars are worth the money. So, right. The judge sentenced the murderer to be hung. Right. Mother, can I go out to play? Right. Take 2 spoons full of this medicine every 3 hours. So again, right. So we have completed this exercise. So I hope you will like the video of today, and I hope that video will be very important for you to improving your English speaking, because if you will improve your English, you can open a new opportunity for you. Even you want to go for overseas studies in Canada, Australia, where you need to qualify language test. So this basic exercise will going to help you a lot. Or you want to get a job in corporate sector or in the MNC company, where you should get the job if you are doing an MBA or the BTech program. So this English exercise again will going to help you a lot. But I want a promise from you that whatever I am teaching you and I am guiding you, you have to repeat with me, and as well as you have to study same time. I would like to advise you one more thing: read newspaper every day, which will really going to help you a lot. So I hope that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.